Hi everybody, Dr. Michael Horowitz, your friendly neighborhood chiropractor here in Vancouver. Today I'm here with Josh Raber of Vancouver Diamonds. Josh is going to help me demonstrate a number of exercises that are going to help keep you in tip-top form, help prevent injury, and improve your posture. Exercise is an important component of spinal hygiene. When you combine physical activity with stretching and regular spinal checkups with your local chiropractor, you're practicing perfect posture and helping to make sure your small aches and pains don't become big ones. Okay, now this exercise is the crunch. We're going to have you put your hands behind your head, and now your hands are going to be by your ears, and you're going to lift up about 45 degrees. And as you come up, you're breathing in and you're breathing out. The purpose of a crunch is to build strength in your abdominal muscles, which is extremely important for core strength and stability. Really good for posture, and it's great at helping prevent and treat episodes of low back pain. This is the front crunch. Thanks, Josh. All right, now this exercise is the transverse crunch. And what I'd like you to do, Josh, is to cross your right leg over your left. And what you're going to now do is you're going to crunch upwards with a rotation, bringing your left elbow to your right knee. The purpose of the transverse crunch is to work on the abdominal muscles and the transverse abdominal muscles, again to help build core stability and help prevent issues of low back pain. So core strength is extremely important with overall posture and pelvic strength. Thanks a lot, Josh. Okay, and today's exercise is the front plank. We're going to get Josh to go into the front plank position on his forearms. And what you want to do is keep your core engaged, and you're going to feel a lot of good strength and stress through the abdominal muscles as well as the shoulders and the forearms. Core strength is extremely important for overall spinal health, and you want to keep breathing through this exercise and try to see if you can get to 15 seconds, 30 seconds, or maybe 45 seconds. Core strength using front plank. Thanks, Josh. This next exercise is called the lateral or side plank. We're going to have Josh turn onto his side with his weight on his lower leg as well as his elbow and arm, with the second arm to his side. And keep breathing through this exercise. This is a great exercise for core strength, which is important for posture and overall stability. A modification of this exercise is a hand behind your head. Keep breathing. And this is great for your abdominal muscles, core strength. Thanks, Josh. That's great. Okay, so this next exercise is called the assisted leg pushdowns. You're going to partner up with someone. I'm going to have Josh hold onto my ankles, and I'm going to have you kick your feet up towards me, and then I'm going to push your legs down and come back up and down. And the benefit of this is that you have a partner assisting you, and it's dynamic motion, building strength around your abdominal muscles, lower abdominal muscles. That's important for combating low back pain and preventing issues from developing around weak core muscles. Perfect. Thanks, Josh. Thanks for watching. Again, my name is Dr. Michael Horowitz, your friendly neighborhood chiropractor in Vancouver. If you'd like more information on spinal hygiene and how to treat your aches and pains with chiropractic naturally, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. We've got a lot of great videos coming your way. And if you want more information, you can always visit our website at vancouverchiropractic.net, where you can book an appointment online or you can email us with any questions that you have. Thanks a lot for watching, everyone. We'll see you soon.